Upon successfully signing into the platform, you'll be greeted with the overview page where you'll be able to access any of the bots that you have created in your account. Apart from this, there's also a switcher module which lets you access all the platform specific offerings. Upon selecting a bot, you can also select the environment to access your bot. You can also view the configured channels and languages for your bot in the overview section. Other features in the overview page include the search bar, the help button, access to the marketplace, and also all important notifications. The overview page also gives you the provision to create a new bot. You can either create a new bot from scratch or you can choose an available template from the marketplace. The overview page also gives you an option to access the configuration for your bot, wherein you can control your access to the bot by inviting others to access your bot in different capacities or roles. Once you add a user with their email ID, right, you can then select the role from the available list. This includes roles like admin, developer, approver, and other module specific roles like inbox and engagement related roles. We have now signed into the platform and we have landed on the overview page, which can be seen on the top left in the switcher button. On clicking the switcher, you can access the other modules of the platform like Studio, Inbox, Insights, Engage, Channels, and Integration. You can always go back to the overview section by using the switcher. The other options available on the top of this overview page includes the search panel where you can search for specific documentations, and this will take you to our official documentation site docs.yellow.ai. The help button gives a few more options like taking you to the official documentation again. You can also reach out to the community where you can sign in and actively engage in our community discussions. This includes accessing various kinds of events and starting your own threads to discuss about specific features of the platform. There's also an option to chat with the support bot and you can ask any questions and the bot will be happy to respond. You can also take a guided tour of the platform. The idea here is to get you comfortable with the navigation and also the important features of the platform. This demo takes less than 10 minutes and we recommend you to use this guided tour once to get comfortable. Upon logging in, you may also be greeted with an onboarding flow to help you create your first bot. And this will let you choose a bot subscription. A subscription is like a container in which to house the bot, right? So you can create different subscriptions based on your organization requirements. Choose the appropriate subscription, give the bot name, choose an avatar for your bot. You can also choose an industry for your bot, choose the region. And you can also have the option of adding live chat support to your bot, which lets you connect to the inbox module to let your users connect with live agents. Click on the create button. This will create a bot for you. You also have the option of submitting feedback on the platform. Next to the help button, there's also an environment selector for your bot. Depending on the nature of the subscription that your bot is in, the environments dropdown will pop up with required values. In an enterprise level bot, you will typically have access to sandbox, staging, and production environments. Sandbox is where the development needs to happen, and once you publish your bot to the higher environments, after approval, you'll see those changes reflecting in the higher environments as well. The overview section also gives you access to the marketplace where you can access various kinds of templates for your bot. These templates can be viewed and then added to your bot. This can be useful in case you want to reuse certain features which have been already modeled by someone else. Next to marketplace, you also have the access controls, and this lets you view the different kinds of users who are currently using your bot in various capacities. Their name, their account ID, and the role in which they have been added will be mentioned here. Note that the super admin is the creator of your bot, and they will also be an inbox agent by default. You can, however, add other members as administrators for your bot. For adding a new user, you'll need to click on the invite user button, enter their email, and give them an access from one of the available roles. Typically, an admin and a developer will have access to all modules. An approver will have the primary responsibility of publishing bots from a lower environment to a higher environment. There are other module specific roles like inbox admin, inbox agent, engagement admin, and engagement user. Select a role and click on the invite button. This will send an invite to the user, and until they accept it, the record will be found in the invite section where you can also revoke the invitation. The invitation sent to the user will look something like this. So the user who has been invited to the bot, once they log into the platform, they'll be able to see a notification here in the notification panel where they can either accept or reject the invite. If they click on accept, a record will be added to the users section with their name and role. Now the user will be able to access the bot in their account. The configure button lets you access the settings panel where you can change the general settings for your bot, including the bot image and other basic details like the bot name, the industry to which it is assigned, description of your bot, and other general settings, including the configured languages for your bot. Note that the LOA platform offers over 100 different languages, and one or more of these can be added in the configuration. This is the first step to making your bot multilingual. We'll discuss more on this in the LOAI advanced course. When you click on the marketplace in the settings page, this will let you upload your own components into the marketplace. Once approved, other people will be able to access your templates from the marketplace section. Other options includes adding active channels for your bot, which will take you to the channels module, viewing the different languages configured for your bot. You can also access different features of other modules in the overview page. For example, designing bot flows in the studio module, answering live chats through the inbox module, and creating campaigns through your engage module. A quick start guide has also been provided and a link to visit the marketplace.